Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine the union and row functions in Power BI using DAX to create custom tables, right from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build small reference tables directly in Power BI without relying on external data. Super handy for setting up targets, categories, test data, or quick parameters. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up Power BI. I'll be walking you through every step, so don't worry if you're still getting used to the platform. Now, something important to remember. Union in DAX is a function that lets you combine rows from two or more tables, kind of like merging stacks of paper into one pile. On the other hand, row is what we use to create a little one-row table, where you get to define exactly which columns and values you want. So here's how these two can work together. You use row to build single rows with whatever values you want, and then you stack them vertically using union. Imagine you're building a quick reference list like student subjects or some KPI categories, but you don't have or need a whole data source. This is perfect for those cases. Let's actually build one step by step. Over on the left side of Power BI, click on the model view. That's the icon that looks like a little grid or table. Once you're there, look up to the top ribbon and click on New Table. This is where we'll write our DAX expression. Now in the formula bar, go ahead and type something like this. Student subjects equals union. 1 name John, subject math, score 85. 2 name Lydia, subject history, score 78. You can add as many row entries inside the union as you'd like. Just make sure each row lists the same columns and in the same order. Each row here acts like a tiny, perfectly organized card with custom data, and when you wrap them together with union, you're stacking those cards into a neat deck. This approach is fantastic for quick, static reference tables you just want handy in your Power BI model, maybe for debugging small selection lists, or when you need to hardcode values like KPI targets. For example, you might create a quick table of project stages or a parameter table for slicers. Now, a quick note. While this method is simple and effective for small tables or static use cases, it's not designed for importing large datasets. Think of it as jotting things down in a notebook, not storing all your company's transactions. If you need to bring in lots of data, especially anything that changes or grows, you're much better off using Power Query or connecting to an external database, which is what Power BI is really built for. One more tip before we wrap up. Union can also be used to combine existing tables or queries in your model, not just row-based tables. So if you have two related tables, say customer feedback from two different regions, you can use Union to stitch them together for analysis. And there you have it. Creating small, custom tables in Power BI with Union and Row gives you a lot of flexibility for quick modeling and prototyping. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other DAX topics you'd like to see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. See you next time.